Assemblies are built in the USA at FIS, the largest manufacturer and leading supplier of fiber optic cable assemblies in the USA. Go to fiberinstrumentsales.com, click on the link to the patch cord configurator. After that, scroll down to choose either patch cord or cable assembly. For this video, we are choosing simplex duplex cable. First, choose the fiber type. After choosing the fiber type, the configurator automatically goes to the next steps: cable type, diameter, rating, connector A, and connector B. The next step on the configurator is entering the cable length. There are several choices: meters, feet, or inches. After that, there are several choices for a pulling eye and a field for special instructions. Lastly, click on Final Report. A configurator summary is produced with the choices selected. Underneath is the pricing of the custom patch cord cost with various volume discounts. At this point, the customer can reset and start all over again, edit certain steps, or add to the cart ready for purchase. After placing the order, an FIS sales representative will contact the customer about delivery information and design questions. To order your custom patch cord, go to fiberinstrumentsales.com and select Patch Cord Configurator, or contact your FIS representative at 1-800-5000-FIS.